I basically have to make this not look like mobile. So this is how it looks. It's not mobile, and I gotta somehow transfer that. So basically I have to make it look good. Oh, let's go. It looks fine in the emulator, but it doesn't look good at all in an actual device. Hi, I'm recording. Submit. Thank you for your message. Your info is in a database somewhere on Earth or space. So it should be here. Last entry. Dean Russell Rivers, hi, I'm recording. Exactly, okay, so it works. Here's an idea. Let's make a React app based on an iOS app I already made. Now this iOS app is simple. It's only 4 rectangles, text value with 4 labels on the bottom of each one. Each rectangle is actually randomized in terms of color each time you press on the screen. It's pretty simple. I'll show you the code now. And let's do it. So here's the idea. 4 rectangles. There will be 2 things. There will be a hex value. These are all going to be different colors. These hex values will match whatever this is. Each time you press on the screen, it'll randomize each quadrant. Last night I had a photo shoot with my friend, pretty fun. Unfortunately it was raining / drizzling. I had to actually hold an umbrella at the same time while I was taking pictures. So yeah, it was difficult and fun. Took about what, 400 photos? So maybe, hopefully, at least 10 will be good. At least 10, I would think so. Now, I'm gonna edit some photos.